Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my orange muffin recipe with you. First off, you're going to need a whole orange. I washed this orange with vinegar because I didn't take the peel off. And then you're going to need egg, you're going to need baking soda, baking powder, sugar, butter, flour, and you might need cream cheese. If you have cream cheese, it would be a great addition to this, but the cream cheese part is totally optional. Now in the food processor, put in your orange, your sugar, your butter and egg, and just blend it all together, but be sure to check the description box for all the measurements. Now you're going to be adding your baking soda and baking powder, and then you're also going to be adding your flour to this mix, and then just blend it again. Make sure that everything is well mixed. I'm going to be adding the link for this food processor in the description box. A few people have asked me about the food processor. I got it on Amazon, and I'll be sharing the link in the description box, so be sure to check it out. So I just scooped some of the batter into the muffin sheet and then added some cream cheese in the middle, and then I'm going to scoop some more batter and put it over the cream cheese. If you do not have cream cheese, that is fine. You don't need it for this recipe. I just use cream cheese because I like cream cheese, I have cream cheese, and I wanted to use it up. So yes, so just use the regular batter and skip the cream cheese if you don't have any at home. It's still super yummy without the cream cheese. I baked this for 15 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees, and I mean, it's just really delicious. It's a great way to use up your oranges if you have excess oranges, and it's something different. So yes, I really recommend that you try this recipe. Well, this is how I plate for Instagram. So now the struggle to take pictures for Instagram is real, guys. Like, food photography is not as easy as it seems. I'm still learning how to plate. I'm still learning the right angles, but I try as much as I can to take fairly good pictures. So follow me on Instagram at NeneBatubo. My handle is on the screen. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.